Can parrots have conversations? Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered if parrots can have conversations like humans do? Well, the answer is yes. Parrots can engage in conversations like we do humans. Parrots learn language just like humans do through repetition and socialization. They have a unique vocal structure that allows them to mimic human speech and produce complex sounds. They also have the ability to understand human language and use it to communicate with each other. But how do parrots learn to speak? Parrots learn from their owners or trainers who teach them simple words and phrases. They also learn from each other through socialization and repetition. Moreover, parrots can understand complex emotions and even show empathy. They can understand and respond to emotions such as sadness, joy, anger, and happiness. In conclusion, while parrots may not have the same cognitive abilities as humans, they are able to communicate and engage in conversations like as humans do. It's fascinating to witness their natural communication skills and how they learn to communicate with each other. Thank you for listening to my talking script about Can Parrots Have Conversations?